Do you want to know how you can export your data on your Metatrader 5? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Use Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can export your data on Metatrader 5. Go ahead and open Metatrader 5, which is on your PC. If you don't have one, you can install it and you can open it. The next thing you want to do is click on View and go to Symbols. So let me teach it to you again. Open Metatrader 5, go to View and go to Symbols. The next thing you want to do is go to Text. And you can see these are your symbols. You can select one symbol and you can select the date of your choice and the end date. After you choose it, go ahead and click Request. In a while, you can see that your data will be presented in front of your screen. If it doesn't work, go ahead and click OK, click Yes, and go to View again, go to Symbols, and select a symbol of your choice, and go to Text. So go ahead and select one of these, and click on Request. It might take some time, guys, and it will load up. Now, the next thing you want to do is click on Export Text, which you can see on the left-hand side, and you can choose your download location and click Save. You can see that the download has been completed and you can go to your downloads where you have downloaded the data. You can open it and you can see that it will open in an Excel file, and then you can read the data and it will be helpful for you because the ups and downs will be presented to you quite easily. So guys, this is how you download your data on Metatrader 5. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.